Previously on The Simple Way. I bought some sweet potatoes from Food for Less. So now I'm just basting this so that the yams that are on top won't be dry. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in the oven again. And I'm gonna show you guys two ways.
Two ways to make sweet potatoes.
Okay, so for starters, these are yams. These are not sweet potatoes. I don't know why I always call them sweet potatoes. Do y'all do that? Anyway, okay, so the key thing that I do is when I pick my yams from the grocery store, I try to go for the yams that are dark or darker or more reddish. Those tend to be the yams that are the sweetest. So check out these yams here. I don't know what is going on with, the produce nowadays. It could be because of our current situation, but to me, I was a little, I wasn't really feeling these yams. I wasn't really feeling them, but I purchased them anyway. So now I'm just rinsing them off, like I normally do. I like to rinse and rub and get all of that dirt and fingerprints and all of that stuff off of my yams. I'm going to be using my roasting pan for my yams and also my wire rack, which will go in the bottom of the roasting pan. And I'm going to place the yams on top, and I'm going to add some water to the roasting pan because I am going to steam my yams in the oven for 2 to 2.5 hours. The longer I allow these to bake, the sweeter they become. The few times I forgot there was an oven and I came back and I was like, what? And they were so good. So I'll be adding enough water just to cover the bottom layer of the roasting pan. Halfway in between, I always have to go in and add a little bit more water because of course the water will begin to evaporate out. And this is it. This is it. This is it, you guys. This is so simple. So I used to make these like every morning, or sometimes I make them the night before and I just take them with me to work. These, I always call them sweet potatoes. I was almost finna say sweet potatoes again, but these yams are so delicious, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it open. So go ahead and take a look. Yes, these are so good. And like, you really don't need sugar or cinnamon or anything like that, but if you prefer, go ahead and make it how you like it from this point. You can I normally don't add anything to it, but like if you want to spruce it up just a little bit, you can add some butter. And yams are very healthy and loaded with nutrients, and like I said, this is a healthier option for my candied yam lovers or sweet potato lovers. This is a healthier option for yams. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you did. It really keeps me encouraged to keep going and just to do my best with pushing out decent content. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give me a like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Feels like I've been